We are making water to help with altitude sickness because we live at sea level and we're going to pretty high altitude pretty quick in one day, and our bodies can't really handle that well. So we're putting vitamin C in there, and I'm using berries. I put blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, fresh and organic. Then I'm putting just a little bit of nettles tincture in there, not a whole lot. I put 2 dropperfuls because this is all to help oxygenate the blood a bit. And then I put just a little bit of schisandra berry. Schisandra berry is amazing. It does so many things. This is all to help the body with oxygen and absorbing the oxygen, but this is the key star right here. So this is chlorophyll.
Ooh, look at that go.
That is our star player. So we do about 36 drops of that to this because this is going to be for the day. And then throughout the day, actually not throughout the day, within the next couple hours, we're going to drink all of this. And this is alkaline water. So this is going to help us from getting altitude sickness. It's something I really recommend. It's a nice little recipe. The only thing I would add to this that I don't have currently is aloe vera juice, because it is also very, very helpful. Let's see how it works.